not gonna have that talk, it's already been said. I've given you my hand before, get too easily led. Played my heartstrings so perfectly, left unraveling, went further than you know, I'm sure. Flowers still need to grow though. I'm sorry, you don't even enter my thoughts. I don't wait for your calls. You can pretend to the end I walked you out my door. Been working hard, I get by, just keeping ahead of the headlines.
Oke adik-adik sekalian, tadi sudah bersenang-senang. Sekarang mungkin sudah waktunya untuk kami membagikan buku-buku yang ada di sini. Buku-buku ini bisa didistribusikan di 3 lokasi ya, seperti kesepakatan kita sebelumnya. Dan kita harap adik-adik nanti dibaca ya bukunya ya. Oke, nanti setelah itu setelah dibaca disimpan yang bagus, yang rapi supaya nanti bisa dibaca bergantian, gitu ya, dirawat baik-baik karena buku adalah jendela dunia.
You'd always get fed. You should learn to stand up tall, not spend hours in bed.
Kami anak Indonesia. Berjanji. Untuk rajin. Membaca buku.